Let's start today with a question. Okay. Take your book. Take your book. This is your question. Look at your screen. Two, three, four, 5, 9, 8, 7. Put commas according to international system and write the name of the number. 2, 3, 4, 5, 9, 8, 7. Put commas according to international system of numeration and write the name of the number. Nijar, please turn on your video.
Ma'am, finished.
Finished? Okay. What about others? Finished. Hari finished.
Yes, miss. Finished.
Sri Vishnu also finished. Adira, what about you? Finished. Okay. Then heaven? No. Okay. Do it. Shanif, what about you? Okay. Nijar, not finished. Afras also not finished.
Miss, finished.
Okay. Nijar finished. Heaven, what about you? Yes, finished. Afras? Finished? No. Shanif, it's okay. Just take your own time. Okay, let's discuss the answer. Look here. Here comes comma. Here also comes comma. Isn't it? In international system, this is the method of putting comma. Then, what is the name of the number? Who is ready to answer me? Juana is ready. Nijad is ready. Sri Vishnu is ready. Heaven, are you ready? Yes. Then, Hari is also ready. Adira, are you ready? No. Okay, listen. Sri Vishnu, tell me the number name.
2 million.
2 million.
2,345,987.
Yes, very good. 2,345,900.
Miss, someone is drawing in the screen.
Who is that? Don't touch your screen while screen sharing. Okay. I think you are okay with international system of numeration, isn't it? Yes. Then, do you want its note? No. Do you want its note? Yes, I will give you in the WhatsApp group the note. Then, next one is comparing numbers. Our next heading is comparing numbers. How can we compare two numbers? Which one is great, which one is small? How can we compare? How can we compare two numbers? You are given two numbers, 9 and 5. Okay? 9 and 5 are two numbers. You can easily say which one is greater number. It is 9. Isn't it? 9 is greater than 5. Then you are given 50 and 70. Here also you can say which one is greater. 70 is greater number. Then what about 200 and 250? 200 and 250, the greater one is 250. Okay. Then next coming 1525 and 5230. Which one is greater? 5230. Up to about 4 or 5 digits. 4 digits, you can say easily which one is greater number. Okay. From 5 digits onwards, how can we find out the greater number? Okay, look at your screen. Six, 7, 8, 5, 6. 6, 8, 5, 6, 4. These are two numbers. 67,856 and 68,564. The method of finding greater one is, first consider the left side digit. Okay, first consider the left side digit. It is 2 in both numbers. Sorry, it is 6 in both numbers. In the left side of the number, here comes 6 and here also comes 6. So, we cannot predict which one is greater by looking at the first digit. Then, take the next one. The next digit is 7 here. Then, here it is 8. Compare these two numbers. Which one is greater, 7 or 8? 8 is greater than 7. So, in these two numbers, 67,856 and 68,564, greater number is 68,564. Okay? Got the idea? Take another example. 67,563 and 67,542. Which one is greater? Heaven can answer. Okay. Wait. Here the method is, first we consider the first digit, the leftmost digit of two numbers. It is 6 in both numbers. Then take the next number. It is 7 in both numbers. So we cannot predict with these two numbers. Then take the next one. It is 5 here, and here also it is 5. Then take the next number. It is 6 here, and here it is 4. Which one is greater, 6 or 4? 6 is greater than 4. Then the greater number is 67,563. Don't touch your screen. Okay. Got the idea? It is about 5-digit numbers. What is about okay, these are two numbers. 67567256. The next number is 67567542. Who can answer me which one is greater number? Harinand is ready. Then Hanna is also ready. Sorry, Heaven is also ready. Then Ashwin is also ready. Adira is also. Adira, which one is the greater number? First one or second one?
First one.
First one is greater than second one. Okay, then Shanif, can you answer me? Who is doing that? Don't touch your screen. Don't touch your screen, okay? Please remove these markings. Who is doing that? Okay. Then Hari, which is the greater number? First one or second one?
And one.
Second one. Okay, what about you, Heaven? What is the greater number?
Second one.
Second one. Okay, Afras. Which is the greater number? First one or second one?
Second one.
Second one. Okay, then who is next? Sri Vishnu. Which is the greater number?
Second one.
Second one. Okay, Ashwin, what about you?
Second one.
Second one. Okay, Arjun, can you turn on your camera? Okay, then the answer is second one is greater number. Okay, second one is greater number. Why? Why second one becomes greater than first one? First we consider the first digits, 6 and 6, 7 and 7, 5 and 5, again 6 and 6, then comes again 7 and 7, then comes 2 and 5. 2 and 5. In these two digits, 5 is greater than 2. So, the second number is greater than first number. Okay? Okay, write down these questions. 5, 6, 7, 8, 6, 5 and 5, 6, 7, 4, 8, 7. Next one is 3, 5, 8, 9, 6, 5 and 6, 5, 8, 7, 4, 9, 8, 5, 6, 2, 0, 1 and 9, 8, 5, 7, 5, 4, 2, 0, 5. Write these questions. Put commas between the digits. That makes the understanding easily. Okay. One. Which is the greater number? First one or second one?
First one.
First one. Okay. Then, okay, all of you show me your hand, first or second. Okay, first one. Then, what about second one? Second question, first one or second one? First. Okay, very good. What about next? First one or second one? First one or second one?
First.
First or second? Ashwin, ഒന്നുകൂടി നോക്കിയേ. Heaven. Check it once more. First one or second one? First one. Okay. It's very easy, isn't it? It is very easy to compare two numbers. In your text, you can see 3 steps are there for comparing two numbers. Page number 9. Page number 9. Under the heading comparing numbers, you can see 3 steps. The first step is count the number of digits in each number. If the given numbers have unequal number of digits, then the number with more digits is greater than the number with less digits. If the numbers have equal number of digits, then proceed to step 2. If you are given two numbers with same digits, you can proceed to step 2. Or if you are given digits with unequal numbers, unequal digits, the number with greater number of digits is the greater number. Okay? Then what is step 2? Compare the digits at the leftmost place in both the numbers. This is the first step. Compare the digits at the leftmost place in both numbers. The numbers with the greater digit is the greater of the two. the number having greater digit of the at the leftmost place is the greater number. If the leftmost digits are equal, then compare the second digits from the left side and go to step 3. What is step 3? If the second digits from the left are unequal, then the number with the greater digit is greater of the two. These steps are discussed and I think you get the idea. Okay, Sri Vishnu, what's your doubt?
മിസ് പറയുന്ന ക്ലിയർ ആവുന്നില്ല.
Clear ആവുന്നില്ലേ? Sri Vishnu, what's your doubt?
മിസ് ഈ ഹോംവർക്ക് എല്ലാം ഇന്ന് തന്നെ സബ്മിറ്റ് ചെയ്യണം ഗ്രൂപ്പിലേക്ക്.
Okay, let's see in the next class. Bye.